Yes, and it's starting to really intensify. Further west you go, the more storms there are. Right now, it's pretty quiet across Nassau, Suffolk, the five boroughs, New Jersey, still quiet. But look at how intense things are really starting to build along Route 80 or I-80 in Pennsylvania. That's continuing to be a source of contention with a lot of folks probably heading out. It's heavy downpours, lightning, thunder, all of that. As you make your way further east along Route 80, things are intensifying there. Eventually, New Jersey, folks are going to be seeing those heavy downpours. First, though, in the Hudson Valley, north and west of the city, that's the first to get it, and then it'll start to fill in as the morning and early afternoon wears on. Level 1 risk, we're talking scale of 1 to 5. We're at level 1, but it's still enough to really pose a threat for damaging winds, hail, heavy downpours. Could be some ponding to have to contend with, and of course, more travel disruptions. That's something that we definitely don't want to see, but if you plan accordingly, you should be good to go. All you got to do is just be mindful, and we'll update you throughout the morning, throughout the afternoon on what you should expect. So this is what it looks like. Now, this particular model has been saying, you know, between 7, 8 o'clock north and west of the city, which is what we're seeing. By the time we get to around 9 to about 10 in the city, we'll start to get some light rain, and then there is a chance for those heavy downpours to continue as that front passes. It really does intensify. Look at the purple colors. I mean, this is where you can get not only heavy downpours, but damaging winds along with this. Pound Ridge, heavy downpours across Westchester County, southwestern Connecticut, down and toward Nassau County. And don't forget, this is where we are in the city and the Bronx. That could be pretty intense right at around lunchtime. So if you can, make sure you leave before then or wait until the storm passes. As we head into the noon hour across the south shore of Long Island, as well as Monmouth, Ocean counties, New Jersey, it really does come down heavily so. And then pockets of heavy downpours will continue east up until around the 2 o'clock hour. Then it'll be a gradual clearing thereafter. There is a chance for a few more showers. It'll be isolated in nature later on tonight, and it'll be scattered up until around the 11 o'clock hour. So still that instability will linger, but we'll get a break between 2 and about 9 o'clock. So 60s and 70s right now. Temperatures in the upper 70s, low 80s. Remember, those storms could be pretty severe, strong to severe storms. That's what we are anticipating. So be mindful of that. We're in the 60s for tonight. We're going to jump over to our 7-day forecast because I know a lot of folks are expecting a nice weekend for the holiday. Well, it's a dry start, wet finish for your Saturday. Sunday looks good. Showers on Memorial Day. Alex, over to you.